Generations of Kashmiris have grown up under the shadow of fear, torture, and intimidation. It is a tale of heart-wrenching suppression and trauma caused by indiscriminate and unrestrained use of power. History has witnessed few parallels of such flagrant violations of fundamental rights as in the IIOJK. Gross violations of human rights, shameless brutality, remorseless moral bankruptcy, and appalling atrocities characterize the reality of Indian occupation of Jammu and Kashmir today. A military force of over 900,000 Indian troops has turned the heavenly valley of Kashmir into the world's largest prison. Indian repression has intensified manifold since the illegal and unilateral Indian actions of 5th of August 2019. The hardships under the brutal military siege were further compounded by layered lockdowns and additional COVID-19 restrictions. Such is the plight of Kashmiri people. It is beyond belief that almost the entire Kashmiri leadership remains incarcerated under inhuman conditions, often dying while in custody. Kashmiri youth is a specific target as they suffer illegal detentions, torture, enforced disappearances, indiscriminate use of pellet guns, and extrajudicial killings in staged cordon and search operations. Muslim majority in Kashmir is being turned into a minority in their own land through illegal demographic changes in violation of the international law and the Fourth Geneva Convention. So far, 4.2 million fake domicile certificates have been issued to people not belonging to Kashmir.